Good morning, everyone. Today is February. What's today? We both know. Forgot what date today. What's today's date? Ano nga? 17 ba ngayon?
16.
Oh, 16. We are confused people.
Dad, who are you, bro? Bro, who are you? Who are you? Look at your monkey friend.
Huh? What is it? So, we wanna share with you guys the life in the province. This morning, it's ha? Ito nga pinapredict tong isa para ma-interview si Mayo eh. Come on.
Ano lang yung chinelas sa ibaba rin doon.
Ha?
Nandun yata na ibaba.
Sino?
Yung chinelas na.
Oh. Come on. Just put your sling bag. Just put that body bag on you.
Makain naman.
Come on. Hello, Ma.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Tita Rot, good morning.
Good morning.
Hi, Bibot. Good morning.
Yeah, Paul, you like water?
Yes. Look at this. We got so many food, fruits.
Okay, hot water. Warm water.
Yeah. And we got so many pomelo and durian. Yeah, we got a lot of tamarind in the bag.
It's ripe already.
It's ripe, but we will eat it later. So this is the life in the province. Hello, Auntie. Good morning.
Oh my galit yata ito, mama.
Hello. Look what we got here in the back. Hello, Mayo. How are you, Mayo? Hi, Mayo.
Kumukuha ko siyang banana. Pag kita sa akin, sinabi niya lang.
Maya.
Yan po ba ito?
Mayo, come here. Come. See that top?
Mayo.
Malayo siya na. Hi, Mayo. Hi. Hi, Mayo. This is my brother's pet. Name is Mayo.
Ito dito yung brown. Gusto nila yun yun.
Ayan. Bakit nandun na?
Why is
See, they have mangoes here in the bag. We will go there later. So it's very warm in the morning. You will see a lot of trees and fruit trees. Ang pinatulo ko lang yung gripo ng konti. Baka puno na yung drum.
Kita.
And they have the dragon fruit. Yeah. Ay, bus ka. So they have a dragon fruit.
Dalia?
Mm-hmm.
The dog is cute outside the gate. It's
The what?
going like this.
The what? Who?
The dog there.
Oh, the dog.
Yes.
Doing what?
It's doing like this.
To who?
There in the gate.
Oh, doing that to you?
Yeah.
Hi, Isan.
I was looking at it.
Anong luto gagawin nyo dyan, ma?
Tangkay. Ay, ano gagawin? Gataan?
Takway?
Paborito kung papa mo at mama mo.
Gani eh. Wala eh.
Nga eh.
Pakati yan tayo, no?
Kaya sana ibi. Wala sana ibi. Kaya nalala puli ka mo.
Oo. Adlaw-adlaw nagapamakot kung ano, kung pila ka adlaw na lang.
Mahina pandilig niya.
Oh.
Hindi siya nakakaroon.
Ante, adlaw-adlaw nagapamangkot si Papa kung pila ka adlaw na lang na kung kasano kami mapuli. Mm.
Kaya nga maingay kami tatlo dito. Sisigawan kami.
Punta ko muna kami doon sa kabila mo.
Sige. Ando nga kami
Paki-
kagabi. Sabi nito, magwalis tayo. Agla, gabi na. Uwi na tayo.
Yes, pagod na rin kami. Ano na eh. Pasado alauna na dumating kami. Eh, inano ko yung bed. Ginanyan ko eh. Maalikabok. So, kailangan mo ng ano, mawalisan tsaka
Punasan.
punasan.
Hanap sila ng map. Naghanap sila ng map. Wala may map dito. Wala may map. Dito, naghanap sila.
I will get some hot water. Mayo! Hello, Mayo! Hi, Doggy! Hi!
Mayonnaise!
Mayo! Nay, wala siyang tubig na lubluban.
Natapin niya.
Dapat yung mabigat, Noy, ang ano, yung lalagay niya. He have a water to dip on, but he kept dumping.
Where the banana, Mayo?
So I said, need to have something like heavy to
Did you
put the water.
already eat the banana?
Mayo, come here! Hi, Mayo!
Nakawala yan
You
eh.
want banana?
Nakawala yan.
Ah,
Akala rin niya ano ni isang bata, lalaki.
saan?
Dito na. Hindi na siya umalis.
Hmm. Oh, he's happy. He's happy.
Hindi siya umalis.
You give one banana
siya,
to
dito na siya.
Mayo.
Hi.
Give me banana.
Punta tayo sa kabila, Nay. Papi, you want hot water? Just get hot water. You want one? Ay, Rod. Kuha ako dalawang baso hot water. Dalhin doon sa kabila. So we have a lot of mangosteen. Goodness, this is very expensive in US. For how much? 7 pieces of this? It's already almost $10. This is very good. So we gonna have a mukbang of fruits later.
Ano yan, girl? Warm water kaya?
Hot water lang.
Hot water.
Yeah, dalawa kami ni Paul. Tig-isa.
Magtitimpla kayo? O inumin lang?
Biting ko lang. Tama na. Tama na. Tig-isa kami. Ano bot? Ikaw muna in charge sa ano.
Bili nga tayo ng mug.
Ha?
Bili tayo ng mug.
Oo. Pag,
Gusto mo ang tuyo?
Oo. Ako.
Itlog te. Para
Yan
may
yung
partner.
mga pagkain na miss namin sa probinsya, sa ano, sa US.
Mag-init pa tayo.
Tama na ito, kalahat kunti lang, hati lang kami. Hatiin mo lang.
Oh.
First time ako mag-feed og monkey. Gikaon ni Mayo.
Oh, friends na kayo.
Yeah?
Did he introduce yourself to, did you introduce yourself to Mayo?
Dito na kayo.
Dito na lang, bit-bit ipabigay mo isa kahit
Mayo, I first time si
Papa.
Mayo just opened the balloon.
There's only hot water. Hold it good.
Only here
Ganun ka na.
though.
Akin na lang.
Nasama pa ako doon?
Oh.
Bili tayo. Itlog, An, itlog para pares. Para partner.
Hindi, mamaya na lang. Ano na lang?
Partner ng buwad tsaka ng...
Hindi may takoy lang. Mamay pa ba yan?
Kung ano na lang. Hindi. Tsaka na yun. Kung ano na lang muna nandiyan. Hindi, mamalingkit tayo mamaya.
Sige, let's go.
Para isang lakad na lang. Oh, everybody's excited. Come on, let's go. We're gonna go to the house.
First time seeing Mayo, a monkey eating banana the name of the monkey is Mayo. Like mayonnaise.
He don't like it. He wants something else. Ba't tinapon yung sa ano niya? Yung sa...
Nananawa rin yan. Gusto rin sa bread.
dapat iba.
Binigyan ko lang.
I,
Tinapay kanina yan eh.
kinain niya na po.
Isa nagsasawa siya ng
Gusto niya na... No. Don't give him anymore. He just gonna waste that. He just gonna waste that.
But he already ate the one.
So we got plenty of banana. It got overripe. Ano magawa natin dito, ma? Sayang saging. Ha?
Hindi na ano eh. Maasim-asim na.
Oo nga. Paano na lang?
Tamis.
Pwede na lang, oh. With brown sugar. Walang ganito dun sa amin. May ingay ng motor araw-araw.
Yan lang ang maingay dito, mga motor.
Naghahati ng mga bata sa sa estudyante.
Pero pag
Finish.
tahimik naman na.
Oo.
Maingay dito, yung bawal ng aso.
You finish. It's not hot anymore. Punta muna kami sa kabilaan na. Oh, they got a lot of oh. Gonna have a mukbang sampalok later. Natikman nyo na to, Ann? Maasim? Yeah. So, dapat lang pala yung kikindihin. Itong saging. Oh, okay. Nag-overripe na rin siya. Bot, dito muna kami, ha?
Oo.
Come on. Ante, makatuanin kami to sa piyak, ha? Ako. Nagkahibi ka na?
Kahit hindi siya, wala kuya niya.
Okay lang yun, te. Okay lang yan. Kapagani, adlaw, nagahibi man to. Ha? Pop, you wanna use this farmer's hat? Farmer hat. Ayaw. Here. Here, get this banana. Eat it. Eat. Oh, this is the plants that they got. I like the plant in the back outside the fence. It's beautiful. When I was growing up in the province, I saw a lot of this when I was young. It's so beautiful. They use them for a fence. Oh, they have a variety, different color, different design. Come on, let's go. Come.
Hi, puti.
Puti pero itim, ha?
Yes.
That's funny thing. This dog, they named him White, but he is pure black. We call him Puti. Hi, Puti! Ito na yung pus kay Tuta, Noy.
Mom, pagdago ni
Come on. This is the view in the province in the morning. Come on. Come on. Ay, come on. Don't jump on me. Pop. Slow down there, ha? Slow down. It's wet. Ay, walang bubungay o lateris.
Nakita mo ano, te? Yung, ayun na, harap mo. Puro bombills.
Saan?
Strawberry.
Bumili ako kay Nelia. White and pink. Sa isang puno.
Nice strawberry.
Morning!
Nice strawberry sa house ni Ingalia.
Ha?
Ante Ingalia.
What? What is it? Ay, santol. Ay, sampalok.
Actually, puputulin ko lang siya. Di ba, buhay naman, di ba?
Hindi ko alam.
Madali siya mabuhay.
Fruit.
Pero gusto ko talaga puti.
Mommy, I
Ano
want
si,
to eat
ano,
fruit.
meron pa nga double yan.
Ay, oo. May iba-ibang ano yan.
Mom. What fruits are in Auntie Ingalia's house?
Oh, look at this house. They have a lot of different kind of bougainvillea. Bougainvillea? It's beautiful right there. I think they developing this property. But I remember a couple years ago I saw this. They have they have a lot of papaya, row by rows of papaya. It's quiet here, very quiet. Just in the morning, you will see a lot of motorcycle. Oy, ano yan, Noy? Basura? Oo. Ano nangyari doon? See, they still have a little papayas. Ay, Rod! Tignan mo yung papaya nila. Oh, ang liit ng puno pero ang daming bunga. Oh. Yeah, the papaya is, ha? Nang? Anong papabili? Sa bayan ka?
Hindi, dito. Nagtanim ako niyan.
Meron?
Meron ako.
Wala akong
Kaso,
wala akong barya.
masyado. Mababar yan. Nagtanim ako dikit-dikit kaya
Hindi nabuhay?
nabuhay. Hindi pala pwedeng masyadong dikit. Tumaas eh. Yung sa akin.
Oh!
Dapat ganyan.
Okay, this is my brother's house. We also have ay! This tamarind that they got at the house, it came from here, from this big tree. Ba't nandyan yung mga kalat? Anong nangyari? Dogi-dogi, ba't tinalukan niyo yung basura? So, yan, oh. So, ilan mo, kalahati muna. Para makatulugan na natin. Hanggang doon pa yan, Rod, sa dulo. Doon sa likod. Hanggang doon pa yan sa likod. Okay, tingnan mo. Putik na tayo. Where's Uncle Po? Be careful, ha?
And wala. Oh, kalamansi.
Be careful. Dodong. So we still have works to do. A lot.
So lucky yan.
Naiyak si auntie.
Bakit?
Hindi na kasama sa papa eh.
Dun sa papa.
Lolo. Lolo Romeo.
Nihilak di ay ka?
Yeah, naghilak man siya.
What time? At night?
Kay nasad man siya?
At night?
No, just earlier. So this property is still gonna be all the way there in the back. Oh, there's still another big tamarind tree.
Bakit dyan na lang nilagyan ng ano?
Ang alin?
Oh, is that mango?
Coral. Fence.
For now, dito lang muna part ng ano bahay.
Is that mango?
Then we're gonna, after we finish everything here, then we're gonna do the back. So I think this is the avocado.
So, lagyan na ng gate.
Yeah, tapusin mo na dito yung part. Avocado. And I'm not sure about this. I think they call it that's Atis. Right there. Are you sure?
Ate sa nahot.
He said there's a lumboy. Lumboy in the back.
Lumba, ano kayo maliliit?
Yun, yung duhat.
Did you plant mangoes? Is that
No, I did not. It's already there. It's rolled there already.
Ano yung sampalo?
No, alalayan baka
Ang dami sa palo ko.
Is that mango?
Wala yung bunga. Kaya kasabi ko. Dito sa gilid. Sa inyo rin sa kabila.
Saan?
Yan, yung tangkay niyan.
Mom, it's mango.
Yun?
Yan na siya.
Yung malaking puno? Ha?
Ayun si Ok.
Pap, what? Be careful.
Sabi mo sa baba, buwaba na ba ito?
Saan eh? Malay ko na hindi ko alam kung anong itsura ng puno.
Yun. May tangkay na yun.
Ay!
Yan na siya. Akala ko patay, ginano ko yung
Siniguelas. Ano din yun? Sa gilid.
Anong season ng ano niya na eh?
Ito na, paano na yan? Bigla na lang kalawang may mga kabuti na tutulog.
Wala siyang ano, no? Yung walang dahon. Yung siguro.
Ganyan siya nagberas pag wala talang dahon, alam mo patay.
Ipahawanan mo yun.
Papahawan
Madali
ko
na siyang
yan.
tanim pala, no?
Dito lang kami nakapokus, yan nagmamadali kami ha.
Madali siya itanim.
Tutusok mo lang.
Magpadami ka, Noy. Magpadami ka.
Yung space mo kasi yung mga saging na yan, papatayin ko yung mga saging mo na yan eh.
Bakit naman?
Pangit ng saba. Maaasim. Saan galing? Sabi ko dyan, saan galing yan? Galing doon kay Elder Dong, kay Bayo Dudong. Akala ko sa akin ko munang bini. Magaganda yung bini natin sa baba eh.
Oo. Mamaya punta tayo doon. Sa dalawang ano. Do you see, Pap? It's huge, huh? From here, we just stopped to putting the fence there. And then on the other side, it's still ours.
Because the
It's gonna be dealt later after we finish everything here in the front.
doon may dadaan para.
Noy, ano to? Prutas din ito?
Hika doon. May sinalim yan.
Oh.
Yung sakit pa oh.
Noy, asin.
Asin?
I-rub mo lang para matanggal yung kanya mga hairy ano.
Biro mo parang 4 na araw, nagkakamot pa. Ayun alam mo na yan.
Ito to, ano to?
Mangustin.
Ito?
Crafted yan, mangustin.
Wow. Mangosteen tree. Fruits, right here. This one. Is mangosteen. Wow.
Puno yan, te, ah.
Namumunga yan, parang yung yung guyabano.
And then we have the wild sweet potato
Mangosteen.
over there.
What? Where?
Wild.
This one, no?
This is
Small
mangosteen.
tree.
That?
Much is this?
Huh?
This is somebody else's, right?
Yeah, they're selling it too.
So, doon lang sa inyo.
Hindi, this land right here between Tuto, Ronel, and mine, they already wants to sell this land.
Sino may ari si...
This different people, yeah.
Yun yung ni Ate Jade.
Hey, Uncle Paul said, how much is that?
Why? You're going to...
Let's go.
No,
Let's go inside, and then you will see there the back part.
we already got inside.
Huh? Be careful na. Why are you carrying your slipper? Don't step on it, Dodong, huh? Oh. Let's go there on your right. Be careful with that stud.
Look at that dog. You're so far, you can eat anything.
Hello, doggy. all the way there. There's a lot of mud. Mud, mud, mud. Hello, doggy. Konto.
Look at here, I like this one.
Sleeping. Dodong, be quiet. Kuya Jupit's still sleeping. So this is gonna be the 3-bedroom. Oh, 1 bedroom.
2 bedroom, 3
Yeah.
bedroom.
There's a attic there. Oh. We're gonna cut it down. Sayang eh, but no choice. And then there's another bedroom. And there's another bedroom. So the back part is gonna be closed.
Inaamon siya ni...
Tuloy si. So that's gonna be the living room over there.
My favorite room.
And this is gonna be the dining.
My favorite room is
Yeah, hold on. So this is the bathroom, old bathroom. We're gonna change this too. So this is gonna be the door, the new door. We're gonna open this up because I wanna put the shower separate for the shower and the toilet. So when people take a bath, they're not gonna wet the whole floor. Nay, itong pinto dito, hindi to isasara na. Hindi to isasara mo rin to.
Ano yan?
Solid na no to, sasara na ito.
Semento.
Semento na, okay.
Kasi CR mo pa yan eh. Nung
Yung isa?
yung kitchen eh.
Yung isa pang bathroom. So this is our room, our bedroom. This is our... Noy, bukas lang ito, Noy, para maglabas yung, yung fume. So the bathroom, we're still working on the bathroom. That's gonna be the shower. I want the toilet to be set up here. Bob, don't step your shoes here. It's mud. It's muddy. Just stay there. That's why I removed my slipper. Just stay there for now. So I set up the toilet there to have a easy access for the wheelchair. Noy. Dito na yo sa Ito
Hindi pa tapos yan.
Oo.
Nabasag na yan. Ano yan?
Para sa
Gagawin pababa?
Yeah, kasi ang wheelchair paano mo i-slide ang wheelchair diyan? Mahirap iangat ang wheelchair. Gawan mo na lang ng paraan na hindi mahirap yan.
Tingnan na lang dito.
Oo.
Para hindi yung kita.
We're gonna put the closet. Ay, bastos ka. We're gonna put the closet here or over here. It's gonna be here. Good morning, Ison. So the closet's gonna be here. Oh, they already put the curtain red. Okay. So we're gonna clean this tonight. Repack these suitcases in those boxes. Those boxes we're gonna repack. And we're gonna sleep here tonight. Because we have more relatives coming from different provinces. So this is like a reunion. Sayang lang, si Papa at Mama hindi nakasama. But God has planned why all this did not have a perfect plan. Kamusta kayo dito, Ison? Okay lang? Naranasan nyo na ba magkabagyo dito? Malakas na malakas sa bagyo? Hindi pa. Pero hindi naman na mas safe dito
Nasa Valenzuela po.
Grabe din. Ang sarap ng nung hangin ba? Ang ganda. Marami pa tayong trabaho. So this is the back part. There's a lot more fruit trees over here. So I'm gonna have a vegetable garden there in the back. Tapos moringa, oh. I want to have a lot of moringa. This is gonna be the, oh, this baby is sick. So this is gonna be like a small dining room. And this is the kitchen, Pop, in the back. Pop, come here. So this is gonna be the kitchen. I want to have a long countertop for the kitchen. So whatever they tear it down, the wall, they put here in the back to fill the ground to make it even. And this here in the back is another bathroom.
3 bedrooms?
Yeah, 3 bathrooms. But this one is just a single, just a toilet. When you're in the kitchen, it's easy to have access. But if you're in the living room, you can have access to that other one. So this is gonna be the laundry. We're gonna have a dirty stove over here, like a wooden stove,
Wood stove.
wood stove. Somewhere here. So this is gonna be a good project. Hi, doggy. Oh no. Noy? Noy, itong isang aso, ano, may sakit yan?
Yan si... Yan si Pogi. Aso ni iba din yan.
Yan ang hindi maliguan, sabi mo?
Oo, may ano yan.
Kawawa naman.
Ito, pantay itong te. Papantay ito.
Gusto ko pa paggamot yun.
Pantay ito, pantay.
Yung Jess lang daw ni Mama yan.
Dapat yan, liguan araw-araw para maalis yung niya sa katawan.
Ayun yung anong paligo. Nangagat yan.
Hindi, pwede siyang lagyan ng leash, tapos may muscle ba? So this is gonna be the storage. So this is the storage. That. And he's talking about gonna have the overhead door. It's not like that. I told him I want the door sealed because I'm worried about the snake to get in. And this, we're gonna leave it this way. You just have to change or work on that metal.
No, we're gonna have somewhere where we put tools.
Yeah, this is gonna be storage for outside.
So how much is this?
I think what he said is like they sell it per kilo, the metal.
No, the property next door.
Oh, I don't know yet, Pop. Be careful. Okay, bye for now.
Si Ato, si Ato.